Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Judith, and today I want to talk to you about something so simple yet so powerful that if you truly embrace it, your life can begin to change from this very moment. It's not complicated, it doesn't require money, it doesn't require permission from anyone. It's just one thing, one choice, one step. And that step is deciding to take responsibility for your life. So many people wait for life to change them. They wait for the perfect opportunity, the right people, and the right moment. But here is the truth. Life will never hand you your dreams on a silver plate. Change doesn't come from waiting. It comes from acting, from showing up every day and making small, consistent choices that push you forward. If you want to change your life, start by changing how you think about yourself. Stop telling yourself, I can't, I'm not ready, I will not make it. Your mind is your first battlefield. Your thoughts shape your reality. What you believe, you achieve. Every great transformation begins with a decision to stop settling, a decision to stop making excuses, a decision to stop blaming others or circumstances for your life. Because the moment you take ownership, the moment you stop blaming, everything starts shifting. You see, life isn't happening to you, it's happening for you. Every struggle, every setback, every disappointment, it's preparing you, refining you, and teaching you lessons that you will need for the next chapter. If you want to change your life, start by creating your morning. How you begin the day sets the tone for the rest of the day. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, instead of scrolling through social media and letting other people's lives dictate your mood, take a moment for yourself, breathe, relax, pray. Write down one thing you are grateful for. 5 minutes, that's all it takes. And yet it can transform your entire day. Next, pay attention to your habits. Your life is the sum of your habits. If you want better results, you must change the small daily routines that shape your life. It's not about doing big things at once, it's about doing small things consistently. Waking up earlier, drinking water, eating nourishing food, speaking kindly to yourself, all these choices compound up over time. And here is the most important part. Start with your mindset. If you believe that change is hard, life will make it hard. If you believe that you are capable, unstoppable, and deserving, you will begin to attract the people, opportunities, and circumstances that align with your vision. If you want to change your life, start with self love. You cannot grow, heal, or achieve well hating yourself. Take time to appreciate who you are. Celebrate small victories. Speak positively to yourself. Protect your peace. You think you might think it's too late. I have made too many mistakes. Let me tell you something. It's never too late to start over. Every day is a new opportunity. Every moment is a chance to rewrite your story. Start taking control of your focus. What you focus on grows. If you focus on fear, doubt, or what's missing, your life will reflect that. If you focus on gratitude, possibility, and the steps in front of you, your life begins to change almost magically. And don't forget the company you keep. If you want to change your life, surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. Remove the toxic energy that pulls you back. Sometimes you need to let go of people who love but don't live in your potential. Also, embrace discomfort. Growth never comes from comfort. If you have to stretch yourself, try new things, take risks, fail, and learn. Each challenge you face is shaping you into the person you need to become. And most importantly, start acting today. Even a small step forward is better than standing still. Stop waiting for motivation, it will never come fast. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Move now, start imperfectly if you have to. Just begin. If you want to change your life, start by being consistent. Consistency is the secret weapon of every successful person. It doesn't matter how small your progress is each day. What matters that you keep going. Because small repeated actions compound into life-changing results. Finally, start trusting the process. Life might not unfold the way you imagine. Doors might close, people might leave, plans might fail, but every experience is a lesson. Every setback is a setup for your next success. Trust the journey even when you cannot see the destinations. So if you're ready, if you're tired of wishing and waiting, if you're ready to see real change in your life, start with this. Decide to take ownership of your life. Decide to love yourself. Decide to act. Decide to focus on what matters. Decide to show up every single day. Change begins with this one decision. The decision to no longer accept less than you deserve. The decision to stop settling. The decision to start living intentionally. And when you do, I promise your life will never be the same. You have heard me say it now. The choice is yours. Start today, start small, start now, and watch how your life begins to change, because change always starts with this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.